Good evening, fellow mudders, and especially my solid mud buddy at Bloomhauer. I think he's interested in what I have to do here, but everything I offer, I stand behind. Anything mechanical, or I'm sorry, electrical and or mechanical gets field shop bench tested. And my 2 restored rear heaters are nothing less. So I forget which one's high and low. So here we go. That's definitely high. Ooh, yeah, feel that spin. Then this one must be low. No, that's high. Woo! Cheese and rice, feel that. I should get a feather. Let's see, how about a parts bag? The parts bag waving in the wind? Kinda. But then here's low speed. Yeah, it's pretty cool. You know? It's not like high speed, but damn, yeah, the low speed's kind of cool. You know, that'll take the chill out of the Land Cruiser if it's in the Arctic spec cold climate frigid zone. And everything was gone over. Tanks were pressure tested. Everything's been powder coated. The cores, you know, I didn't paint them. They're in original condition. That's original paint there. And that's let's see here. I got the felts. That's original too. I didn't want to, you know, I think it's in some cases, if it's in as is good condition, restoring it's kind of not necessary. So I got all the clips. The tops have been powder coated, and all new hardware. I think I caught that on the, I don't know if you can see it in there, but yeah, there's new bolts, and both of them are 2-speed motors. But I'll probably edit that out. But yeah, that's high speed. And let me tell you what, man, it's really high speed. All right, well, that's all I got. I'm gonna put the caps on.